So today I'll be drawing a still life. I haven't drawn one in a long time, and I've never drawn one digitally, so this will be my first. So, an interesting fact about bell peppers is that they're not considered a vegetable but a fruit, and they're categorized as berries. So, I usually start with a sketch and build my way up to the background. This time, I will have a background for my drawing. The colors are very bright as compared to the onions and the garlic. And to be fair, the garlic and onion are harder to paint. I had some problems with the little basket, so the texture of it was kind of the problem. The challenge that painters have. You want to make something that people can relate to in terms of touch, not just sight. You want to make things look the way they feel. And that's kind of hard to do if you don't have enough references or if your references are limited. There's a lot of experimentation that goes on. So I hope you like the painting, and I will leave you with the remaining of the time lapse.